So hello guys, welcome to Apurva's review system. Today we are going to see quiz target review. So this is the dashboard of quiz targets. I'll show you step by step how you can create engaging quiz funnels that skyrocket leads, boost conversions for any niche. With quiz targets in action, giving a personalized experience to quiz respondents will be a childish play. With this advanced quiz builder logic branching features, you can give a tailor-made custom offer services products to quiz takers based on their response. This one of the many powerful features of quiz target. Boost email opt-in rate and conversions by up to 78%. So no further ado, let's make a quiz funnel and see how it works. Okay, so let's start with scratch. Yeah, here you can start with scratch, or if you want to start with pre-made quizzes and just edit it something and you are ready to go. But if you want to start with your own, then click on the add new quiz button. Here you need to give a name of your quiz, so I'll put a name of brand. Okay, and you need to choose 4 options. Okay, so assessment here is how much do you know about brand or tournament area. This type of questions are asking here, and here it is personality type, which animal, superhero, or which superhero you belong to. That type of questions here asking. And this one is scored based question, and another is poll based questions. So I'll select assessment based questions. So next part is the main part. Here the magic happened. So let's start with, you can start with scratch, or if you want to take any pre-made templates, so you can select it, but I want to start with scratch. Okay, so it will help you also, so that's why I start with scratch. So this is the main functional area where you can add any number of questions, lead from or CTA button, everything you can add here. So I'll show you something. I add some questions. Okay, here it is. So you can move it from anywhere. Okay, so you can add these questions to this part, you can add these questions to this part. Okay, so and you can add a lead form here. Here it is, very easy, just few clicks. In just few clicks you can create a converting quiz funnel that will boost your list. For a quick review, I made a funnel before, and now I will show you how you can edit these questions, and here you can make any kind of questions. Here you can make multiple choice question or open-ended questions. Okay, so you need to put your questions here, and you, if you want to add images or GIF for your questions, you can add it here. Okay, so I'll crop it, and here it is. So this is very easy, and you can add GIF videos, or you can upload with your own videos or images. And next, here it is, you can add your answers here, and here is also you can add images for your answer also. So I'll select an image for my answer and go back. Here it is, two questions, two answer is added here. And if you want to add another question, another answer, then you can add it here. Next, you can select as right answer from here. You can give timer for your questions, you can make it skippable questions. So okay, so skip it, and then next. Well, so I'll show you the questions part, and now I'll show you the lead form part. Okay, so how you can edit your lead form. Wherever you want to drive your traffic, select it from here. You can drive your traffic for email list, you can drive your traffic for social icon, social logins, or you can add your messengers here. So I will drive my traffic for email list. Okay, so you need to add your GDPR options here, enable. Okay, next you need to connect your autoresponder here. Okay, so add the integration, click on add integration button and select any autoresponder which you want. Okay, I didn't select any autoresponder, so I will select on yes and choose it. Next, you need to add your result here. So if you want to drive your traffic from any URL, so you can create put your URL here, and this page is looking like that, quick result review. Here you can see your review here. So next, in save. Now I'll show you how you can edit those questions pattern. Okay, so click on setting button, and these are the text structure. You can select any kind of text, font size, font family. You can select any font weight. Okay, here it is the review, and you can add any kind of color on button. So these are the colors are available. You can add button hover color. You can add font size. So you can add process bar from Q&A section, option color option here, text color here, color option, hover color, anything you can, anything you want to select it from here. You can add any background. If you want to add any image background, you can select it from here. If you want to any color background, you can select it from here. So I will select it and click on save button. Next, you can add any transit effect like back effect, which is like that. You can add any out effect, which is like that. So if you so many options are here, you want to select it. So next, on save button. Next is quiz animation. Here is so many styles available. So I will select it, and here it is look like. Okay, so click on save. You can add your own brand and band position. You can select your band position here, alignment here. So very very cool options are available. So after that, you need to publish it. So as you can see here, it is your quiz funnel is available. So if you want to edit it from here also, you can go back and edit it. So for embedded, you need to click on embed and share, and you can embed on any page builder or website. You can add as a pop-up, you can add as an announcement bar, you can add as a sticky button, get hosted link to your quizzes, or you can share your quiz on social medias. Okay, so very easy process here. You need to copy this HTML code and add your website. So this is the full step-by-step demo of quiz target, and I will show you the bonuses which you get with quiz target if you buy it from my link, which is in description. Okay, so here it is the bonus page, and these are the bonuses you get with quiz target. The first bonus is video engage elite plugin. Create scrolling videos that allows your video to move as visitors read your content. Don't let them miss your videos. Next is feed hacker. This is legally hacked and download your favorite videos from Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, YouTube without any need to use an API from. Next is quiz target graphics pack, which is huge bundle, includes variety of high quality images graphics which marketers entrepreneurs need daily for marketing activities. This can be used inside of quiz target through a normal upload to create campaigns. Next is agency right to a viral list builder. Next is SEO and ranking tracking tactics. Get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a pro. Next is WP YouTube Leads Funnel. Next is WP Sales Booster plugin. Take full control over your CTA sales button to gain powerful insights to boost your sales. Next is WP Mobile Coupon plugin. Grow your client's business and Facebook fans with creating viral coupons. Next is Google Traffic. Learn all the tips and tactics and strategies need to generate traffic from Google. Next is Facebook Marketing Guide. It is a full course on how to add, how to market your content on Facebook. So these 10 amazing bonuses you get if you buy it from my link, and you need to click on this button and you are landed here. Here it is the sales page of Quiz Target, and you need to click on get instant access button. Okay, so after buying it, you landed on this page, JBju page, and you need to click on this blue button for claim all the bonuses. Okay, so this is the full review and I hope you love it. And okay, next I will show you the funnels. Okay, so first is two types of funnels are there. One is a quiz target commercial funnel, which is $37. Next is quiz target basic, which is $27. Next is OTO1 quiz target pro, which is $67. Next is quiz target pro lite, $47. Quiz target DFY club, $47 per quarter. Next is quiz target agency license, $97. And downsell is quiz target agency lite, $47. For OTO4 is quiz target white label reseller. So this so all the full details available which you get with funnel. Okay, you need to read it with your time. I didn't go through all this. So what is quiz target all about? Quiz target is the most advanced quiz creator that helps to generate leads like never before. Getting leads, conversions and sales is a hassle free and affordable affair with quiz target, loaded with awesome features with power to build lists and make sale perfectly. And the best part is it works for any niche. So this is the sales page of quiz target, very informative page, you will go through with your time. So this is the full review of quiz target. I hope you loved the review. I hope you understand what is it all about. Okay, so if you love it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for next review. So thank you guys, bye bye.